we started talking about token maxing. And I love the way you guys put this, your token tracking. Explain what that means and the product that you have.
Perfect. So first of all, there is an incredible amount of transformation clearly in what AI can do for people, and there is a lot of excitement and fervor to get people using these tools, which is great. I think it leads to faster revenue growth for companies that use this well. We can see this very clearly in the data, and I think in general this is a good thing. I think more people should experiment and dabble with this. But our customers are CFOs, they're finance leaders, and their job is to budget for where the business is going to go and make sure they don't miss projections. And the problem is, if you look over the past year across Ramp's data, token and AI spend has grown by 13 times over the past year, 50% a quarter. And you look in this, and what is very clear is no one knows how to budget for this. On top of that, it is possible, maybe to use an analogy, one could say, you know what, I want to get my groceries delivered by a Ferrari, and have, hire, the Tony's car to go pick up your groceries. You can use the most advanced model on the planet to edit your email, but maybe you don't need to.
That's a great analogy.
And I think
you may just need a Prius to deliver those groceries.
A Prius
not a Ferrari.
would be fine. You can wait till next week. It'll be okay.
It could be a bike. It doesn't matter.
Even a bike, and that is a good lens for what's happening in these companies. There is an incredible amount of usage of models, which today, even models that are out of date, 6 months old, are perfectly performant for most of the nature of tasks being done. And so you're seeing kind of this intersection where people are saying, I need help. We need to go and manage this better. How do we get on top of this? So what we launched today is really token tracking, but it's AI spend management. It's the ability for CFOs and finance teams to be able to drill into and understand where their spend is going, what's the nature of the task, and if other models may be more performant, and how much could be saved by shifting volume based on the right level of task. And so I think both in Ramp being a leader in this, but I think this is going to be a mega theme for the next year.